Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free and mostly beauty. We're doing another late night unboxing video because I just got my Boxycharm. I'm really excited. I didn't even get the notification that it shipped, but okay. So I got 2 eyeshadow palettes. I already did a sneaky peeky. So this is from Ciate London. This is their Royal Edition. I love the color. It's really pretty. 24-piece eyeshadow palette. It is the big one. And those are the eyeshadows, so very neutral. I haven't even swatched it. I will put pictures of some of the swatches somewhere. Definitely very warm, but it looks really pretty. I hope they're good. And then we have another eyeshadow palette. It's from Complex Culture, which I believe is an Ipsy and Boxycharm exclusive brand. They have their gray packaging, per usual. I really like their blush palette. I haven't tried their mascara yet. But we have another eyeshadow palette. For some reason, this pan's a little funky, but it's very pretty. This is their full-time eyeshadow palette, Edit 3. So I'm excited to try that, the purples and everything. And then we have, I picked these. So with Boxycharm Premium, by the way, this is Boxycharm Premium. With Boxycharm Premium, you can pick 2 items from the selection. I picked the Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Redness Relief Serum. I do have some redness. You probably can tell because of my nose. But I'm excited about this. They're a clean skincare brand and I'm excited. It says the skin type is for sensitive, reactive, or redness prone skin, which is me. And a Velvet Touch Soothing Serum to calm and relieve discomfort in irritated and sensitive skin prone to redness. Strengthen skin's moisture barrier to help protect against environmental aggressors. 100% recyclable glass bottle, pump made with 50% post-consumer recyclable plastic. So I did pick this. And then I also picked, this is so pretty, this packaging, oh my God. From Herbivore, it is their Cloud Jelly Vegan Collagen and Tremolo. It's a plumping hydration serum. So I love that for the dry skin. And then look at this huge thing. This is from Refreshments, which I think is their own brand. I think you can you can do add-ons. Velvety body cream. It is huge. It's unscented. It's 8 fluid ounces. And it says, dive into rich velvety moisture for a royal glow, nourishes and restores, quick absorbing, non-greasy, 24-hour hydration, kind to skin. Our sparkling clean promise, always vegan, free of parabens, phthalates, sulfates, gluten, nut allergens. Our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free, clinically allergy and dermatologist tested. So the main ingredients are, which I've never seen this before, but it says star ingredients above the ingredient list: shea butter, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. And then it has coconut oil, lots of oils, which is kind of cool. And then this says this is recyclable and made from 30% post-consumer recycled plastic, made in Canada, distributed by Beauty Perspectives in San Mateo, California. So yeah. And lastly, from Ace Beauté, their Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick. Really cool packaging. Very regal. And then it's in this warm nude color. That's really pretty. It's in the shade Manifest, like a warm brown. I'm very impressed with this box this month. So stay tuned for some looks. Subscribe if you want to see more of my face. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.